For many years, people have dreamed of living longer. They told stories of magical waters and secret knowledge. This dream is ancient and deeply human. More time to learn, love, and see the world. Now, science and technology make it possible. Imagine a life spanning 10 centuries. A healthy, active life. Technology could keep us young and strong. Let's explore these amazing ideas. Join us on this journey into the future of human life. Dr. Ian Pearson is a futurologist. He studies the future and how new technologies might change our lives. Dr. Pearson has made some very interesting predictions. He thinks that humans could achieve a kind of immortality, and he believes this could happen very soon. He has said that by the year 2050, some people might be able to live forever. This is a bold statement that catches our attention. It makes us think about what is possible. This idea of immortality by 2050 is exciting. It means that people who are alive today, especially younger people, might have this chance. Dr. Pearson believes that technology is moving very fast. This rapid progress is key to his prediction. He sees developments in many areas of science. These areas are all coming together, creating new possibilities for human life extension. Dr. Pearson suggests different ways this could happen. It might not mean our physical bodies live forever without any change. It could mean that our consciousness, our minds, could live on. This could be through advanced technology. So the idea of living forever might take new forms. It is a concept that is evolving as our technology evolves. For many people, this prediction is a source of great hope. It offers a future free from the limits of our current lifespan. Dr. Pearson's ideas push us to think about these big questions. So, how does Dr. Ian Pearson see this future of very long life unfolding? He points to several key technologies. These technologies are developing quickly and will play a big role. One important area is genetics. Scientists are learning more about our DNA. They are finding ways to repair and improve our genes. This could help us stop many diseases and slow down the aging process. Another fascinating idea involves our minds. He thinks we might be able to connect our brains to computers. This is sometimes called a brain-computer interface. If this technology becomes very advanced, we could back up our minds. Our thoughts, memories, and personality could be stored digitally. This means that even if our physical body fails, our consciousness could continue. It is a way to achieve a kind of digital immortality. Dr. Pearson also talks about living in virtual worlds. If our minds can be digital, then we could exist in computer-generated realities. These worlds could be anything we imagine. We could explore new places and have new experiences. This would be a very different kind of existence. Finally, Dr. Pearson considers advanced robotics. He suggests that we might be able to transfer our consciousness into very strong and durable robot bodies. I, Ray Kurzweil, also spend a lot of time thinking about the future. My work focuses on how technology grows, and it grows very, very fast. This is what I call the law of accelerating returns. Technology does not just improve step by step. It improves faster and faster. This exponential growth is leading us to a very important moment. I call this moment the singularity. It is a time when artificial intelligence, or AI, will become incredibly powerful. I predict the singularity will happen around the year 2045. At this point, AI will be much smarter than all human intelligence combined. This super smart AI will be able to solve problems that we cannot solve today. It will help us understand the universe in new ways, and it will help us understand our own bodies and minds. The singularity will change everything about human life. It will be a transformation unlike anything we have seen before in history. The singularity is not just about smart computers. It is about the merging of humans and machines. We are already starting to see this. My vision for a much longer lifespan relies heavily on three key areas. These are artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, and biotechnology. These fields are advancing at an incredible speed. AI will be like a super smart doctor and scientist. It will help us understand diseases at a very deep level. It will design new medicines and treatments much faster than humans can. AI will unlock the secrets of our biology. This will allow us to stop aging and cure all diseases. Nanotechnology involves tiny machines called nanobots. These robots will be smaller than our cells. We will be able to send them into our bodies. They will act like a microscopic army. They will repair damaged cells and tissues. They will fight off infections and cancer cells. They will clean our arteries and organs. These nanobots will keep our bodies young and healthy from the inside. biotechnology, especially genetic engineering, will also be crucial. We will be able to reprogram our genes. Our genes are like the instruction book for our bodies. We can rewrite the parts that lead to aging and disease. This power over our own biology will be transformative for human health and longevity. Dr. Aubrey de Grey is another important thinker in the field of longevity. He is a biomedical gerontologist. This means he studies the biology of aging. Dr. de Grey has a very clear message. He believes that aging is not something natural and unavoidable. He sees aging as a disease, and like any other disease, he thinks we can find a cure for it. This is a very different way of looking at getting old. Most people accept aging as a part of life. Dr. de Grey argues that if we can cure diseases like cancer or heart disease, why not aging? He points out that aging is the main cause of these diseases. If we can stop or reverse the aging process itself, we can prevent many illnesses. This would lead to much longer and healthier lives. He is not just talking about adding a few extra years, he is talking about extending human life by many decades or even centuries, perhaps even to 1,000 years or more. His focus is on repairing the damage that our bodies accumulate over time. As we live, our cells and tissues get damaged in various ways. This damage builds up and causes us to age. Dr. de Grey believes that if we can develop therapies to fix this damage, we can keep our bodies young. It is like maintaining a complex machine. Dr. Aubrey de Grey's plan to combat aging is called SENSE. SENSE stands for Strategies for Engineered Negligible Senescence. Senescence means the process of growing old. Negligible means so small or unimportant that it is not worth considering. So, SENSE is about making aging so slow that it practically does not happen. It is a comprehensive plan. It aims to address all the different types of damage that cause us to age. Dr. de Grey has identified 7 main types of aging damage. These include things like cells being lost and not replaced, or cells that stop dividing but do not die, causing problems. Other types of damage include mutations in our DNA, and the buildup of waste products inside and outside our cells. There are also problems with the proteins that hold our tissues together. Each of these types of damage contributes to the overall aging process. SENSE targets each one specifically. For each type of damage, SENSE proposes a specific repair strategy. The goal of SENSE is not to make us immortal in one go. Instead, it is to develop therapies that can repair the damage of aging. If these predictions about living to 1,000 years come true, our world will change in profound ways. Think about our society today. It is built around a lifespan of about 80 years. If people start living for centuries, many things will need to adapt. One big question is about resources. How will we provide food, water, and housing for a population that lives much longer? We will need to find new and sustainable ways to manage our planet. Work and education will also transform. Today, people usually have 1 or 2 careers in their lifetime. If you live for 1,000 years, you might have dozens of careers. You will constantly need to learn new skills. Education will become a lifelong process, not just something for young people. Retirement might become a very different concept, or it might disappear altogether. People could stay active and productive for much longer. This could lead to a very dynamic and experienced workforce. Family structures and relationships will also be affected. Imagine having great-great-great-grandparents who are still alive and active. The prospect of humans living for 1,000 years is truly astonishing. It is a dream that has been with us for a long time. Now it is moving from myth into the realm of scientific possibility. Thinkers like Dr. Pearson, myself, Ray Kurzweil, and Dr. Aubrey de Grey are showing us potential paths. We each have different ideas about the exact methods, but we share a common belief. We believe that technology can help us overcome the limits of our biology. This is a very powerful idea. The key technologies are already developing rapidly. Artificial intelligence is getting smarter every day. Genetic engineering is giving us new tools to edit life itself. Nanotechnology is opening up a world of tiny machines that can work inside our bodies. These advancements are not happening in isolation. They are converging. They are working together to create a future that was once unimaginable. This future promises not just longer life, but healthier and more capable life. It is a future full of potential. If these predictions come true, humanity will be redefined. We might merge with our technology. We could become beings that are part biological and part machine. Our minds could expand. Our bodies could become ageless.